MotoTec Chaos Scooter is equipped with a powerful 2000-watt electric motor and a chain drive, so you are sure it will kick dirt and accelerate quickly whenever you flick the throttle. It has a top speed of 32 miles per hour, and it is much faster than most electric scooters. The MotoTec Chaos has a single charge range of up to 30 miles, depending on the rider's weight and average speed. It comes with a sizable 15 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack, so you can reach places and have several hours of riding fun. The Chaos comes with knobby air-filled 11-inch tires for grip and cushioning. The MotoTec Chaos Scooter has a throttle and mechanical disc brakes, so it accelerates and stops smoothly. The throttle is easy to use and allows you to zoom on the road. The scooter comes with a mini LCD readout. The MotoTec Chaos electric scooter is perfect for leisure and for the commute. It features an off-road design with a folding frame, so you can put it in a car and bring it anywhere. Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.